This is Abhinandan. Abhinandan came from this side, from the Paraguay embassy. I'm going this side right now. This is at Equipe Petrol. I want to show something for you after some time, for my viewers both in Bolivia and India and other countries. Abhinandan here. Okay. Now for my Bolivian friends, my friends in Bolivia, who will become later my friends online or who have become friends earlier, you are all missing something. I'm telling you, you are missing something very big. I am getting benefit in Bolivia financially. Okay, but let me tell you this story. My videos are usually long. Let me see what is the keys over here. Wow, I'd never seen this. So many keys. Oh, botanical in love. Wow. So, but I want you to listen carefully. I am amazed. What is not there in USA, what is not there in Dubai, what is not there in that facility or that offer, what is not there in Spain or any country is there in Bolivia. But Bolivian people do not know that. I am getting the benefit out of it. So I'm going to explain that to you. In fact, it is very far here, but I will keep talking and I may pause in between. But before that, I went to Paraguay embassy. Today is 19th January 2026. Tomorrow is my last day in Bolivia, according to the visa. I came here on October 22nd, 2025. I came to La Paz. Before that, I was there in Peru for 2 months. I went to Machu Picchu on October 17th. Before Peru, I was in Colombia for 6 months. I mostly stayed in Medellin, which is a very beautiful place, very nice people, beautiful, good-looking females. Okay, and I went to Bogota, Cali, and before that, 6 months I was in USA. I was 3 months in Miami, and then another 2 months in Richmond, Virginia, and then Washington, D.C. I am from Bangalore, India. Last 3 years I'm traveling the world and earning money while I'm traveling. Sometimes when I meet a beautiful girl and I see I've traveled so many countries, you know what, at least 2 girls have told me, your life, my dream. That means what is my life is actually their dream. They say, you are living my dream, they say. But I tell everyone, because 97% of the population wants to make more money. 95% of the population wants to travel the world. But if you don't do the right thing, okay, you won't travel. I thought during the COVID time, and COVID was very good for me. I somehow survived. 6 of my friends lost their life in their 50s. Now, but what COVID did was, it made everyone to know about the power of Zoom meeting. Okay? See, for Bolivian people, this may be very common places. But for people in India, this looks something very nice. But anyhow, let me talk. My talk is more important. The information I give you is more important. I went here to attend a seminar at the this hotel over here. That was on November 21st I attended. It was about a marketing experience seminar, and I met a lot of people, including students, English speaking students. She's not responded yet, Emily. I'll send it to Emily also. I met some peacocks in this hotel. Very nice. But I'm going to go show you something very important. I want you to bear with me and enjoy listening, because you're going to be benefited. You are going to be benefited if you listen till the end, especially if you are a Bolivian person. I met many business people. Right now I met one person in the embassy. Okay, his name is Johnny. He's from Bolivia. His wife is from Paraguay. He shared the Wi-Fi internet to me, and we started talking for more than half an hour. I shared all my videos. He's a graphic designer, in-drive driver, and he speaks good English, very good English. When I showed him about Meru app, which I'm going over there right now, I'm going to the office of Meru app and another crypto exchange. People in Bolivia do not know Meru app. With the Meru app, there is some advantage and benefit. Big advantage, big benefit. Okay, I'm going to say that to you as I reach over there. So let me talk loudly. I am making this in English, talking in English, but I'll convert it into Spanish also. Okay, so because I came from Paraguay embassy, I thought I'll visit here, Meru app again, and then go to the crypto exchange. I know my voice will be very clear, though there is outside sound. Now I'm saying this to the Bolivian friends. This is Abhinandan. I am from India, and I want to give you a free trip to India. Free trip to India, Malaysia, China, and later to USA. Provided you associate with a business. Free trip, no one will give anything free. You have to prove your value. When someone took me to USA, I gave value to that person. So, you know what? That was in 2012 when I first visited New York, went to Niagara Falls, went in a helicopter in Niagara Falls. A lot of things are there. So you know what? I've been here to USA 5 times, and every time I stay there for 6 months time, studying lot of online businesses and doing businesses and earning sometimes $6,000 to $8,000 per month. You can see the proof of all that. Okay, you can see all my YouTube videos, earlier YouTube videos. Now coming to the point. So, people are lazy to watch a video. I watch education video, informative video for nearly 4 hours per day. 4 hours in the night time. My hobby is to study businesses which you can do globally, worldwide, working on WhatsApp, earning money while traveling. I love traveling. So tomorrow I'll be in Paraguay if tomorrow I get my visa. Okay. They have taken all the details. They told tomorrow they will get it. If not, I can go to Argentina. If I don't get Paraguay visa, I'll be going to Argentina. Remember this big building? Next to that is a Meru app. Just now I met this guy. I think his name is Johnny in that embassy. Okay. He was excited. He started watching all the videos of what I sent him. Let me cross. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you something very important. Now, many people don't know this app. With this app, you can earn money globally. You can earn money globally starting with $55 or 51 USDT or around 550 Bolivian. And the business what I talk about is the best of the best of the best of the best. Because if you don't want to invest $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, you don't have that money. At least you should start with $55 and educate people about it. Business means what? People don't know business, the word meaning of it. Business means a product or a service has to be sold. But here you're not selling, you're referring. Everyone won't take it. But once when you prove yourself earning $3,000 per month, $100 per day, people will run and come to you. Results speak. So you can earn even $10,000 per month. But I am telling you, I have a goal to earn at least $3,000 per month, which is a lot of money. Because the average earning in Bolivia is also somewhere from $300 to $500. So at least Bolivia is much better. But I met many people whose salaries are $200. Extremely pretty looking female who speaks good English, but working in a beauty shop like that, earning only $150, $200. This is for people who are earning between $200 to $1,000 per month. You need additional income. So don't come to conclusion. $55, 550, what is that? Bolivian, you can arrange. Okay, and everything you can sit and do on this app. This app is fantastic, but the business is separate. This kind of app is not there in America, not there in India, not there in Dubai. That is why I wanted to come again. Only because of this app over there. You can see that I'm going to that office again. I think that girl over there, Stephanie, will think this fellow is repeatedly coming again and again. But I'll tell her, I'll ask her whether she'll make a video in Spanish language. And there is another one over there. There's another one that is a BitBase. I'm going over here. See, can you see the Meru app office? Come here and clarify your doubt. I think it is not opened at 3 o'clock they open. People, they do not know about this Peru app, even business people. So I met right now also many people. They don't know about this Meru app. And I am telling the advantage of Meru app to them. But I want you to talk to in a 1 minute in Spanish language what is the advantage of it. Can you do that? She understood? Yeah, can you speak in Spanish? Yeah, you will speak or she will speak?
She will explain it in Spanish.
You don't know Spanish?
I speak Spanish, yeah, but I'm with a case right now.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay, you tell her to tell. See this pretty dog. Okay, please tell her to tell in 1 minute. What is the advantage of the Meru app for?
She can understand.
Oh, you can understand? Okay, very good. What's your name?
My name is Vanessa.
Vanessa.
Yes,
So,
I'm the ambassador of the mark of Meru here in Bolivia.
huh?
I'm the ambassador of the mark here in Bolivia.
You're the ambassador of Meru
Yeah.
in Bolivia.
Yeah.
Okay, so when people come here, I met a lot of business people here. They don't know about this Meru app. I just showed. So with this Meru app, you can open a US bank account on your app immediately without spending any money. Am I right?
It is okay, but this kind of accounts only receives deposits.
Okay, that is only for deposit.
Receipts, yeah.
Okay,
For
that is if you have a friend in USA. See the dog looking at me. We had a dog like this. Okay, so if people have their relatives and friends in USA
Yeah.
or business people,
Yeah.
okay, if a person does graphic designing or if he does any work for a US client, they can deposit money into that account.
Yeah, of course, they can receive the money in the account, in the American account, if the deposit if the business is in America and United States, and also if it is in Europe, we have the IBAN account.
Okay.
That is
Speak
for
this in
euros.
Spanish. Please speak it in Spanish.
Okay. Meru es una aplicación financiera que combina los servicios tanto bancarios como servicios cripto. Es decir, que si ustedes tienen un amigo, familiar o reciben un salario desde Estados Unidos, pueden solicitar que les hagan el depósito en la cuenta americana que les brindamos como Meru. Lo mismo pasa para Europa, les damos una cuenta IBAN con un número único, y para México lo mismo. Entonces pueden recibir depósitos a su cuenta y se van a ver reflejados en USDCs dentro de Meru. Ahora, estos USDCs ustedes los pueden mandar a un protocolo DeFi para ahorros y que genere intereses. Los pueden usar en una tarjeta que es de crédito, pero prepagada. Visa para hacer pagos por internet o para viajes. Esta es americana. Pueden retirar haciendo transferencias a un montón de países en el sistema bancario. Es decir, no necesitan ir al banco, lo pueden hacer desde la aplicación y van a llegar al sistema bancario. Dentro de Bolivia pueden pagar con QR, que es un tipo de pago, diferentes comercios o a personas. Pueden pagar por Pix o pueden retirar igual en MoneyGram.
Okay, but I did not understand. I'll convert later.
Okay.
Do they also get local people also get a credit card connected to that account? If they have a crypto, they can convert their crypto into a credit card like that?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
They can request the physical one or they can have the virtual one that it is free, but you need to have $5 in the app to request the virtual card.
Virtual card, okay,
Yeah.
or they can have a physical card. Very good. Now, is the same features available in Paraguay? Because tomorrow, if I get my visa, I'll be going to Paraguay or I'll be going to Argentina.
Yeah.
Is the same features of Meru app available in Argentina and Paraguay also?
Okay, in Argentina, if you are an Argentina citizen, you can request the QR for Argentina. But
Okay.
if you are not an Argentinian, if you don't have the citizen, you can pay with your Meru card and all the business there. Yeah.
Now, will my app which I downloaded here with the Bolivian number, will I be able to use it in Argentina or Paraguay?
Yeah, of course, you can use your Meru card, your card.
But I can't get the card because
No,
there's...
but you can have it in your cell phone.
But I'm not getting that also, no, because I'm from India. For India, it is not giving. Because for India document, it is saying, she knows that.
Oh, okay. But you can request your money to MoneyGram
Okay.
and have it.
No, I like it to have it in crypto. So I can have a crypto transaction.
Yeah,
I can
also-
convert it to USDT or USDT Polygon and I can do it. So what I'm saying right now is Vanessa.
Vanessa, yeah.
Okay, Vanessa, if people I meet, because I do some Zoom meetings and all, I meet a lot of Bolivian people.
Yeah.
Now also I met someone. Okay, I can tell them to come here if they need any help to download a Meru app and you can guide them. You or Stephanie can guide them. Am I right?
Of course.
Okay.
They can come here to the office and we will help them.
Tell this in Spanish.
Ok, vengan a la oficina, nosotros les vamos a ayudar a aperturar su cuenta y con todas las dudas que tengan con Meru. De todas maneras, lo que trataba de decirles hace un momento, si no pueden solicitar la tarjeta de Meru, pueden sacar el efectivo en el país en el que estén a partir de la alianza que tenemos con MoneyGram. Es decir, que ustedes se acercan a un MoneyGram y solicitan que les entreguen sus criptos en la moneda local del país.
Okay, but my people whom I'll be speaking to them, I'll be educating them about how to earn in a crypto, in digital asset, USDT.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just want to tell them that they can purchase USDT by paying Boliviano here. They can connect their bank account
Yeah.
to in the app. They can connect their bank account in their app, and then they can, from Boliviano, they can purchase USDT. Is that correct?
Ya, si ustedes tienen bolivianos o vienen a Bolivia y tienen dólares, ustedes pueden usar nuestra plataforma para poder hacer pagos locales en bolivianos o para convertir sus bolivianos en USDCs, criptos. Y pueden sacarlos en cripto o ingresar dinero a partir de cripto a nuestra plataforma.
Okay, very good. I want to talk something right now. See, what I found is opposite there is base, bit base. There it is 4%. Here in Meru it is 2% and 1%.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
It is.
that's an advantage. I was paying there 5%. It is 4 plus 1,
Yeah.
the bit base. Okay. Here it is the advantage in Meru app is you can only are paying only 2% and 1%. Polygon it is only 1% and $1, I think. So my friends in Bolivia who watch this video, you can come and meet Vanessa with your mobile or your Stephanie over there. She speaks English. She speaks in Spanish. And you have this pet dog here. Is that yours?
No, it's not mine. It's from Meru.
Oh, it's from.
Morocco.
Okay. Oh, very good. So thank you very much. I won't disturb you much. Okay, thank you very much. I will be leaving tomorrow to Paraguay, if not to Argentina. I thought I'll make this as a video because I spoke to many people. They don't know this app. Okay. So I am also planning to write to Meru company to employ me to market it. I don't know. I'll tell them daily I'll bring 1,000 customers for them in Bolivia. So you can look at this particular thing. I will talk about it much in detail after I go out. Stephanie is the one who explained to me. She is a very talented person. She speaks good English. I asked her whether I've been to Paraguay and I asked her whether you've been to Peru. And the expression I saw yesterday was, you know what, I wanted to go there. Am I right? Something like that it was.
Yeah.
You have never visited, but you wanted to go.
I like to go, yeah.
Yeah, she likes to go to
I told you to Peru.
Huh?
To Peru.
Peru.
Yeah.
So you've never been to Machu Picchu?
No, never.
Okay. No, you went to Salar de Uyuni?
Yes, here, yeah.
Salar de Uyuni you have gone?
Yes.
Yeah, I want to go for that. But how do I know when it is rain? Because I want to go when the rain is there.
It's at the beginning of the year. This season is perfect, like around January to March, I think.
Okay, then as soon as I go to Paraguay, I'll come back again to go over there.
You should.
Salar, because I want to take a lot of photos and make business videos in the salt plant, this one. So here for her, again I'm telling, Stephanie is very intelligent, talented. She studied in CBA. CBA? CBE.
Yeah, CBA.
CBA, that is Centro for American Boliviano.
Yeah.
Please, when it is time for you, when you want to travel, contact me.
Okay.
Because with the business, what I share now,
Yes.
you can make $3,000 per month.
Yes, you told me.
Okay, so you have sufficient details already. Don't lose this. This is going to change your life.
Okay.
But connect me to some English speaking people.
Okay.
Okay, people who speaks English and people who speak Spanish. Tell her also, tell Vanessa about it. Okay, so Vanessa also is not going to give her number.
Yeah, I don't know. You should ask her.
You ask her. Okay, I'll give her this. You read it and contact me later. Read both the side. It is in Spanish. Okay?
Okay.
It's very, very important. It's going to change your life if you take action. Okay, don't make a judgment based on my looks. Okay, decide on the information what I say. If you visit my Facebook page, my website, okay, you will understand more. Thank you very much. Thank you for time. Only thing, I have your Meru email. If there's any problem, I will contact you.
For sure.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
So I just came out of this Meru app. You can see this building over here. Okay, this is next to, I'm showing this to Bolivian friends, next to this big tower. Okay, next to that Viva Meru app. Now I'm going to another office where I was spending nearly 4% for exchanging. Now also I have some $300, $380 to exchange. I want to ask that. In Meru app also I can convert, but I want it in dollars. So, listen carefully. I made the video very long. There I'm going to BitBase. I've already done a lot of recording in BitBase. In BitBase I have done, that is Meru app. When you come here, you can go to BitBase also. But the advantage in BitBase is you can convert your USDT into dollar or Boliviano. Sometimes they give you dollars, US dollar. At 24 Plaza, at 24 September Plaza, you get it in Boliviano. You want to purchase USDT, you can purchase in Boliviano or in US dollar. But here at Bitbase, which is over there, under the President Rodrigo Pazza, below that is a building opposite German college. See, I know everything. I will be making big money from Bolivia. Abhinandan will be making big money from Bolivia. Okay? Because in the last 2 months I studied everything. I have more than some 6,000 plus people, crypto people of Bolivia here. But I was doing a lot of work. Now this is Bitbase. But every time I'm recording, he gets frightened, that person over there. So I am going over there because tomorrow I have to leave in Paraguay. In Paraguay also Bitbase is there. But they are 4%. I'll tell you, I'll guide you when to use Meru app and when to use Bitbase. So you have to watch it very carefully. Abhinandan here. This is Bitbase. That's German college. Okay. And next to that building is, what is that? Meru app. You saw the two girls over there. They are very helpful, very friendly. Okay, now let me continue here. Let me go here. No one is there. So I'm inside Bitbase office right now. I have to exchange some $384. You can come here also. Some things you can do on Meru app, but when you want to buy, when you want to convert USDT to cash in dollars or in Boliviano, you can come here. The person sitting here does not want to be recorded, so I have to respect that. Okay, and I've done a video already with the other guy, Lucas. So I'm going to stop right now. I'll continue outside later.